good friends, if you've been wondering, can you make money with flipping properties in South Africa? The answer is yes, you can. Well, today I bring you a deal where you can potentially be able to make 300,000 on it. To be precise, 333,400 Rand is what is standing to be made with somebody who is a subscriber to this channel. And it is great hanging out with you. Well, if we are meeting for the first time, you might be wondering, who is this kid? Well, you are in the right place if you are looking for real estate deals. On here, we have what we call the Wednesday Deal Day. Every Wednesday at the top of the hour, yours truly, TJ, brings you a deal every Wednesday. Well, I do real estate myself. I buy real estate for a particular reasons, which I will tell you just now. And over and above that, I'm an author, I write books, but my passionate is just to be in the real estate space. So I get many deals coming through my way all the time. And I said to myself a couple of years ago, how about I can make some of these deals available to people like you, people who subscribe to our channel, and then that can raise up their hands to say, hey TJ, I'm in on that deal. And you might be wondering, how are you gonna see that I'm raising my hand? Well, here we raise up the hand in a different way. In the comments here, or should I say in the description or on the screen right now, you'll be able to see a form, a link that says www.thetjtribe.com/myflip, and basically you can be able to fill in, it's a form. So you click on that link, it takes you to a form, and you can give us your name and number, and you will be able to send all of your details. And over and above, tell us your budget. How much can you afford? How much can you not? And then within here, within the tribe, as the deals come through, we will be able to showcase to you, and all you need to do is buy. Like it is today. One of you who's a subscriber to this channel is going to walk away with this 330,000. Obviously, there's a bit of work to be done on the project, which is something that we can be able to help you. But if you're good to go, my good friends, this is one of those that I call a flipper's dream. This property here that we're talking about, woo! How can you be making 300,000? Well, I'm going to show you the property, and then within that you can be able to see, is this good for you or it's not? Do you want to partake in it or not? But either way, you now know how you can raise your hand and you can be able to tell us. If you're here for the first time, I am going to showcase to you what we call a mantra. And you can see the mantra that is written on the screen, and it basically says, my heart is open, my mind is open, help me TJ to make some money. Now at the count of 3, we are all going to say this, right? Oh, why do we need to do this? Okay, let me tell you why we need to do this before we jump on to do it. Many are people, including myself, you know, we see the deals and it makes sense. It's like a logic. The mind is saying, yes, it's right. However, this mind is like a little bit afraid. I'm sure you have made that connection before. And or the other way around, you know, the heart is like, wow, it's an amazing deal, and the head is saying, no, no, no. So how best can we sync this? We came up with a mantra a couple of years ago, and we've been doing this. So now you understand why we do it, right? And you can do this mantra anyway, anytime. My heart is open, my mind is open, help me TJ to make some money. Yeah, in the real estate space. So welcome, welcome. Today's deal, it is a flip. I'm sure you've already seen that when we started talking. And I do a couple of things. Like I mentioned earlier on at the beginning. So I do a couple of things within the real estate, personally, right? I do what we call student accommodation. So I've got a portfolio of myself where we buy real estate and we turn it into student accommodation, and we're providing houses for student accommodation. That's a good business. We're making money out of that. And over and above that, I also do what is called buy to let. It is a strategy. I buy real estate and I also now let it out to normal people. People who are parents, bachelors, that kind of thing. Over and above that, I have just been seeing many deals coming through. Some of you would know back in the days I used to be a banker, And there's just been so many deals that are coming through my way, and some of these are good for flipping. So I said to myself, hey, I can go on and flip, but the speed in which the deals are coming through is just too many for me to do by myself. And I decided I am going to open up this. And on a Wednesday like this one, we call it a Wednesday deal day. I bring you a deal. It might be a student accommodation, it might be a buy-to-let, or it might be a flip. Today's deal, it's a flip. So now that we have gone through the mantra, let us jump into the deal. As I mentioned before, the deal is going to give you a whooping 333,400 if you are to execute it. And I'm going to tell you in a short bit how much you are going to be able to buy it. But my good friends, where is this property? The property is in an area that is in the south, Johannesburg south. And this particular area, I think it's a cool area. The area is called Oakden. And some of you might know there's some beautiful houses in and around that area. Actually, this particular property is in what I call a cul-de-sac. Yeah, cul-de-sac. Some of you are wondering, what is a cul-de-sac? Well, streets, my good friends, are named differently. You get a road, you get an avenue, you got a street. This one is called a cul-de-sac. It's like a cool thing, eh? I live in a cul-de-sac. You know, it's like cool. Anyways, let me not get carried away. This property is in a cul-de-sac, and which basically means that within that cul-de-sac there is not more than 10 houses. I actually counted. There's about 8 houses. This is the ugly house on the street. One of the properties that are selling on the same street, the same cul-de-sac, is hitting or asking around about just above 3 million. So it tells you that in this area there is some good deals. However, I do want to bring you in onto something else, my good friends. This deal, under roof, you are looking at 427 under roof. If you're in the real estate space, you would understand what that means. So you're getting a huge living space on the property. But if you were to build the same house in today's time, how much would that cost you? Let's just take it as 400. Let's remove the 27, round figure. So 400, and you all know in this time and era, if you have to include good finishing, like average finishing, you're probably going to walk away with 10,000 rand a square. And within that, my good friends, the same under roof is going to cost you right there. I'm still here. 4 million rand. 4 million rand. Like, this is not the land. This is just building. The same property. Demolish it today. Build it tomorrow. How much is it going to cost? But let's jump on into the deal. Now, I've given you the meat and loose meat to it. We're going to get into the numbers just now. But maybe let's jump onto the pictures, ne? Go and see the pictures. We come back. Yeah. Boom. Welcome back. You have seen those pictures, right? And you can see that it is a spelling house. This is a dreamer's, a flipper's dreamer, a dreamer's flipper, a dreaming flipper. The dream of a flipper, the flipper's dream. Anyway, it doesn't matter, right? This is like one of those good deals. But let's jump on into this property. This property, my good friends, back in 1994, shortly before independence, In 1994, this property was sold for the first time round to a brother called Lee. Hoo-ha. Yeah, I actually don't know why I'm doing that. Like, each time I hear the word Lee, I just think of, Bruce Lee. Yeah, I'm from that era anyway. But anyway, let's go on, right? In 1994, where was you? Maybe not even born. Well, it's all right. You're here now. 1994, the property was built and sold to a Lee, and this was at 280,000 rand. A couple of years later, in 2004, Lee sold the property to somebody else. Let's just call them Mo. And Mo bought the property at 1,100,000. What happened there? Why did they sell it at so much? Is it because the time? The time came in, and the time as it passes and as the value of the property increases, in real estate, it is called appreciation. You've learned something new today? Appreciation. Yes. So as we call it appreciation, my good friends, this is why in real estate, it is always important to buy real estate and then you wait. Not to wait to buy real estate. You can see here that the property is appreciated some good money. In 2006, Mo then sold the property to someone else. Let's just call them Carlo. And Carlo bought the property for 1,350,000, which basically means that again it appreciated. Mo walked away with a whooping 250 than what he bought it for 2 years ago. And now, my good friends, we are buying the same property for 1.4 million rand. Now, even though we are buying it at 1.4 million, you could agree with me that the value that we're getting here, which is at 4 million rand, if we were to build it today and put the same je ne sais quoi on 400 square under roof, you would agree with me that this is still a deal. Now, how can you participate in this deal? TJ, I want in. Near problem, my friend. In the link, there's a link here which says www.thetjtribe.com/myflip. Basically, it's a link that takes you to our website. And on our website, you can populate your name, tell us how much money you qualify for, tell us how much cash you have, and then we can be able to facilitate a deal like this. So now we know how much you qualify for, and we can even give you the bond originator. They will double check and verify all of those things. And if you are good for this deal, whoop, you go and make the 333,000. Make sense? All you're doing is, yours truly is bringing in a ripe deal. You don't have to go and look anywhere else, right here. And by the way, if you're not subscribed to this channel, this is the good time where you can hit that button and subscribe. Why? So that you can get these deals as and when they come out. That's number one. Number two, we are a community here. On Saturdays, we have a video that come out, and at the back of that deal, it's like a deal like this one, we talk about how did we get to it. What is the back end stories, and how did we make sure that it was a good deal? And obviously we then ask anybody else to comment, so we are learning as we go along. So we are a community of like-minded people, irrespective of where you are in the world. So if you are to click on the subscribe button, you can also now get the comments, and you can also comment, right? And you can learn from there as well, which is amazing, isn't it? Right? And obviously, the moment you're going to click subscribe, YouTube is going to send our videos to many people, and collectively as a wider community, we can be learning from each other. It's a good reason to subscribe, ne? Yeah. Bearing in mind that I traveled 60 kilometers from where I live and my office is to Ogden in the scorching heat of Johannesburg, and got the deal for you, and then I came back and we did this video for you. You don't want to subscribe? Yeah. Just hit the subscribe button. Okay, right, let's go along. Now, the deal itself, let's jump onto the bones of the deal. Where is the deal now? Right, 1.4 million is what we are buying it for. It's on contract on your behalf. 1.4 million. You will need 245,000. Let's call it 250. This is part of your renovation. This is part of your closing costs, depending on how you're buying it. Cash, obviously, you need less because you don't have a bond fees, that kind of things. You get transfer fees only. And over and above that, you're going to need, in combined, 1,650,000. That's what you're going to need. You close this deal, you're in it. However, we have the view that you can sell this property for nothing less of 2.1 million. And within that, you can make a good 20% on your money, thus making a good 333,000. But you don't have to sell it. You know, this is, look, if I was not in a comfortable space in my house, we have done so much work and things like that. This property's got a swimming pool. That's number one. Yeah, TJ, it's not working. Yes, but you can get it to work, right? This property's got a double garage. It's in a cul-de-sac. It's in a gated area. It's got an additional gate. Over and above everything that is common, which is, you know, bedrooms and that kind of thing. Let's talk about how many beds is it. So in the main building, it's got 4 bedrooms. Oh wow, 4 bedrooms, TJ. Yes, 2 bathing rooms, an additional toilet, which is not a bathing room, the lounge, the dining, the kitchen. It's got a scullery as well. I even saw a basement on the property. Over and above that, it's got a flat late, right? 2 garages, an additional bedroom, an additional bathroom room outside, that is, and kitchen and lounge. Isn't that amazing? So my good friends, if you're good for the deal, if you're saying to yourself, you know, TJ, I'm in, I want in, what are the steps that you need to do? Step number 1, fill in the form. Or if you've already filled in the form, then we would have either given you a call to say, hey, what's happening? Are you good for the deal? We would know exactly where you are right now. So just let us know, say, hey, TJ, we want that deal. You know our hotline number. If only you have filled in the form before, you can then hit us on our hotline number, which is +27 78 422 6647. You can see it right here in the screen. But if you have never contacted us before, the right place to be is on the link so that we know who you are, and we have your personal details on our database, and we can then be able to serve you better. This particular part of the channel on a Wednesday, it's Wednesday deal day. We bring you the deals, and all you need to do is just to close them. And what do you mean by closing them, TJ? Buy them for yourself, right? And for some people, they want to buy for themselves. Hey, we got a stock fail the other day. Some guys that came out and say, hey, we're a stock fail and we want to buy real estate. Hey, we don't judge whoever you are. The other day, we got someone else who represented their family, meaning not husband and wife, but brothers and sisters and the father. Hey, we don't judge. You buying the property, you do whatever you need to do. Or maybe you want to club up with other people. Whatever your circumstance is, we don't judge. Our duty and our responsibility here is to bring you good deals. So, jump on to the next video here at the TJ Tribe and do the following. Either you can learn from some of our videos, our Mondays and Saturday videos are particularly about teaching. And this is teaching from real life deals, right? In some case, we even show you the deals. So there's lots of learnings here. But on Wednesdays, specifically on today, it's a Wednesday deal day. All we do is to showcase you a deal. And if you're keen on it, jump on and we can do it. It is I, your boy TJ. I'll see you again on the next video right here. Boom, boom.